Because this is the signature model, I do believe we have a built-in refrigerator here. I would not recommend putting anything alcoholic in this, as it is against the law. But if you choose to do so, maybe I'd approve. Hello, welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MDHY051. I hope everybody's having a great day. We are just so excited here to be laying this 2013 Hyundai Equus to rest today. A beautiful pearl white color. Andy, would you mind providing me with the actual name of this paint code?
I can as soon as I get back to my computer. I believe it's crystal white.
Crystal white metallic. We're going to go with that. Obviously, this car was involved in a fatal left front collision that ended up being totaled. I'm going to take a walk around here and go over all of the good parts. Obviously, nothing on the front end is in good shape. The hood appears to have made it. We're going to pull that off and inspect it for damage. These doors appear to be in great shape. Let's take a nice look down the side and yeah.
Happy little doors.
Those are happy little doors. Somebody must have had fun painting these. These door mirrors feature the integrated turn signals, and I believe they are heated and power. This is a luxury Hyundai after all. Are these 18-inch chrome wheels, sir?
19.
19-inch chrome wheels are in great condition. We're going to pull them off and inspect them. I see a little bit of chrome pitting on the inside, but we'll get those cleaned up for you.
They are staggered as well.
Ooh, staggered.
In the rear.
Wow. This is the gentleman's business car. The air suspension has seen better days. We're going to fire it up and see if we can get that to lift up for us. Taillights are all in great condition. Here's our friend R2-D2 providing life support back here because it's a Hyundai and it doesn't want to run. Rear bumper is going to be sold complete with all of the trim, parking sensors, and the exhaust tips. We have a minor bit of damage right here. I'd just like to note that out for the viewers. Let's take a look at the deck lid here. It features LED lighting from the factory and a rear view camera. Beautiful chrome accent panel and badges will be included. Let's go ahead and fire this up and take a listen to the motor. Oh boy, this is luxury. Hey Andy, I need a key, sir. Now, this is my first time. Oh.
Since the fob is dead.
Well, I just talked about how beautiful that door was and you just hit something with it.
I hit plastic.
Cars are made of plastic, and yet when you wreck into them, they still damage things.
Cloth covered plastic. It's okay. I'll inspect it. Take it off.
All right, moving right along. 98,539 miles on it. Let's take a listen to that motor here. For those of you that are illiterate, this is the V8 GDI. Hyundai has so graciously placed that on the engine cover for us. It appears we have a little bit of a noise coming from the cooling fan, which has been smushed into the radiation due to force. Engine oil has seen better days, but direct injected motors do tend to be a little bit hard on engine oil. If you want me to give you a detailed explanation as to why direct injection is hard on oil, leave a comment down below and I'll make another video of John's tech tips. Let's go ahead and pull the oil cap off here. My grandfather told me that this was a great way to check out a good motor. A little bit of condensation, but very clean. Now, I'm going to go ahead and sit on the engine and feel if there's any misfires. Expert analysis says I don't know anything about Hyundai motors. The air suspension appears to have not been working. I imagine the left front strut probably has a puncture in it and it's leaking air. Andy agrees. That's a pretty normal thing to deduce. Let's step inside here and test out some of the power features of this car that we're going to be listing for sale. Oh, let me go ahead and adjust the 12-way power seat. Oh, that's nice. How nice of them to warn us that we were in a front-end collision. I would have never known that. Let's go ahead and turn that off. Let's see if we can lift this car. Nope, it's yelling at us. This does feature heated and ventilated seats. As you can see, they are both functioning extremely well. I'm going to try to move the car just briefly, test the transmission. That engaged reverse, and it engaged drive as well. Let's go ahead and press enter here and accept. Come on, Hyundai. There we go. Navigation works well. Cycling through everything here seems to be working well. We are going to get all these switch panels listed for sale separately. We will have a complete leather dashboard off of this vehicle. Obviously, the driver's bag will be for sale as well. I do have to leave it running though because the battery is extremely dead. Let's take a look at these seats. We're going to be selling them as a set, front and rear. Very nice condition. Door panels are in great shape as well. All of the door panels at J&J Auto Wrecking do not come with the driver master window switch. Just for future reference for everybody, if you're buying this, you will not get the window switch with this door panel. I'm going to go ahead and move myself to the back here where we can really see what this car is all about. Now, I'm a 6'1" individual and I've got the front seat heavily reclined and I am extremely comfortable in the rear of this car. Because this is the signature model, I do believe we have a built-in refrigerator here. I would not recommend putting anything alcoholic in this as it is against the law. But if you choose to do so, maybe I'd approve. We have built-in vent shades. Let's see how we can control those. Oh, that's that shade. So are these ones not power? Huh. Let's take a look here. Heated and cooled rear seats. That is phenomenal. Ooh, we can go ahead and turn the icebox on. I hear it circulating. All right, I believe that is going to conclude the test video of MDHY051. This is our Hyundai Equus with the V8 engine for sale, as you guys saw. Needs an oil change, but the motor is running supreme. Transmission engaged gears. Looks like all the features inside work, so we're going to get those all listed for sale. If you folks are interested in any of the parts you saw me review here in this test video, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to our website. No pressure, you don't have to click it. We're not being pushy, but it's www.jnjautoracking.com. Or if you prefer, you can give us a phone call at 800-425-1555. Our office folks are extremely friendly and they love to help you out. I would recommend asking for Pippi. She is our internet sales specialist. She'll get you guys set up. Other than that, folks, I am John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thank you for watching this long-winded, rather boring review of our Hyundai Equus Signature. Remember, folks, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Thank you for watching.